Hello and welcome to Scripting with VGZ. So last time I showed you how to tween a basic GUI. We made it move from left to right and we did a bouncy animation. But today we are going to do it more advanced and we're going to take a look at the more advanced features of the GUI. So go to Start GUI, click Screen GUI, and add a text box. Just leave it like that. And now we're gonna, in the text box, we're gonna add in a local script, and we're gonna type the following. So basically, first of all, in every good script, we got define a variable to work with. So we're just gonna define this tween service equals game dot get service game colon, my bad, game colon get service will get the tween service. Remember, game colon, that's what I did wrong there. So now we're gonna set the frame to be the script parent, aka the actual text box, and we're gonna make the anchor point a vector2 function again. And from the last video, you'll know that 0.5 is the best anchor point. So now we're gonna set the position. This is relative to the canvas size of the GUI, so we're just gonna do 0, 70, 0, 70. That'll work. And now we're gonna make sure that the text stroke transparency is 0, so you gonna see the border size in the background. So that's basically what this is. Just gonna change it to 0. We're gonna make the size of the frame. We're gonna make it a box. So that's what's going on here. What am I even typing? Size equals UDIM2. There we go. We're gonna make that size 0, 100, 0, 100. So that's the frame. We're defining a frame right now. So as you can see, when we go up here, go up here, you'll see that the frame is changed, the position's relocated, and the size is also changed. So now that we defined the frame, it's time to actually start doing the tweening. So to do that is we're just gonna let's set up some local tweens. So we're just gonna define a tween info variable, so that when this basically is just a function that defines how the tweening will work. For example, from last video, you'll know what easing direction is and easing style. That's what comes first. Never mind. But from the last video, you'll know what the easing style is and what the easing direction is. So that's what this is all about. So now that we defined the easing style and direction, we're gonna set up the first tween. Just call it tween 1. And we're gonna get the tween service, which is defined all the way at the start of the video. Service, that's basically getting this line 1 up here. Now we're actually using it. And we're going to create a tween with a frame center around it. And we're using tween info 1. And we're going to set the position. Somehow I can never spell correctly. UDIM2 dot. The new position for this, we'll change it to 0.5, 0, 0.5, 0. There we go. Whew. We gotta spell. Gotta go through the spelling bee next time. Just spelling everything wrong. So now that we define that, we're gonna set up a second tween. So after tween 1 is done, tween 2 will start playing. So let's just get another tween info up in here, and we'll make that after tween 1, so like 1.5 seconds after tween 1. And again, there's the easing style things. There you go. And we're gonna change that to quart in a quartic function, which is exponential function, and we're gonna make the easing direction. We're gonna make it in and out. Again, this is all up to you, but I'm experimenting with new things here. So again, we'll just do the same thing for tween 1. We're just gonna create the tween 2 frame, tween info 1, 2. Make sure it's 2, and we can add another sort of fancy thing in here. The first one we did the position locator, and the second one we can just make a like a quick rotation in the tween. So tween 1 we do easing style inside, the easing direction is out, and we change the position. For tween 2, the easing style is quart, and the easing direction is in and out, and we'll add in like a little 180-degree rotation. So again, right over here, that's basically what's going on here. And next we're gonna do tween1.completed. I'm going to connect a function here so that when tween 1 is done, it automatically know that. Whoops. Let's go here. And when tween 1's done, we'll automatically know that. Whoops. Thanks to you for the debug. Forgot to capitalize this I. Again, typos are really the worst nightmare. Luckily, there is a debug. There's script analysis running, which is good. So I can catch those mistakes. So we're just gonna do tween 2. Again, forgot to type the 2. What is wrong with me? And next, we're just gonna wait 2 seconds. Depends, 1 or 2 will be fine. And we'll make tween 1 play. Now that all of this is done, we'll go up here and we're gonna add in the color of your frame. So it's just a color 3, and it's just a RGB value. So we're gonna make it, let's make it a red square. So remember, RGB, it will be 255.00, because the first one is R, red, the second one is green, the third one is blue. So both blue and green have 0, and red is maxed out. So now that we do that, we should be ready to test. So let's go and test. Right here, we're gonna click play, and it should move and rotate. Just give it a second. Hang on. What happened here? So, trying to think, why is it not working? Again, we all make mistakes, and this time, it's my turn to make one. So, that's what happened. And we're gonna get to the bottom of this though. I'm not gonna let you down. I'm gonna show you how to actually tween a model right here. So I guess I get everything. I get everything right. Did I forget anything? Okay, I'm checking right here. Did I literally spell position wrong? I spelled position wrong. Right here. I spelled position wrong. Are you kidding me? Hang on. Yep, I spelled position wrong. I lost the I. That's all it took. And everything breaks. Hopefully that's the problem. Let's play again. Yep, that's the problem. Boom. You see what I mean? Typos can really make a difference. You must check everything carefully. And when the code goes like hundreds of lines, you'll have to get your call stack to check yours, which is right over here. Call stack. But we're not going to do that today. That one mistake affected every single other line of code. So basically what this does is it changes the brick color to red, like so, and it'll just scroll down to the middle and do a spinning thing. That's the easy style. And yeah, I guess that's it. So today we learned that typos cannot be made anywhere. And of course you also learned how to tween a GUI, but that's not important. We're just gonna learn how to not do typos anymore, at least for me. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll make more tutorials on how to script in Roblox. See you guys.